Okay, guys, we're gonna make the glitteriest slime in the
Yeah,
world.
so we got some glitter, and we
Now we're gonna-
already used full blue right there. We went ahead of you guys, and we used a lot of glitter.
Oh,
As you
here's
can,
some in my notebook.
this is mine. As you can see, we already went ahead and we got this from an ice cream shop.
They're really good. You should try them. Okay, now we're gonna start. Ready? Set, go.
Ouch!
Are you okay?
Yeah. What color is that? Purple.
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 We already got blue.
Here's red. Let me do one.
We already got blue.
Let me do.
Okay, do green.
The green. Okay, green.
So what color are you doing? You're doing green?
Yeah, I'm doing green.
Okay, good. Can I do the rest? It's my idea.
Yeah, but it's my glue and my glitter.
Go on.
Ooh, the green is strong.
Can I please do the rest?
Fine.
Thank you.
Fine.
There we go.
No, we each get to do two. I'll do orange.
I want to do one with you.
I want to do orange.
Fine.
And then you can do yellow and.
Here, no, you go first then. Okay, he's gonna do another one. Quickly. Guys, do you know how the glitter this is gonna be?
This one would be like a disco ball. A disco ball blinding someone.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what monstrosity. Come on, almost done with this thing with glitter.
Okay, there you go. That's good.
Okay, and then you're gonna do the
I'm just gonna dump the rest of this out of here.
green. Okay,
It's my turn.
it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
That's pretty much all glitter and glue.
I think we're gonna have to add this glue to it, maybe a little bit of this glue. Okay, watch it. We're dumping the pink now. Pink. Hey, this pink doesn't want to come out.
I know, right?
There we go. Finally came out. Okay, now we're gonna do yellow. Oh, let me put this.
My thing's at 8%, so we need to hurry up.
Yeah. We're trying, but the glitter is very stubborn.
Hey, you need to like put your hand up a little so you can see the glitter falling. All that yellow, bro.
I think we're gonna have to add some more glue. Okay, that's all.
No, we're just gonna make this like a disco, and
Okay, now we're mixing it.
we're mixing this monstrosity of a thing, a disco ball.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to add some more.
Just a little, just a tiny little drop.
This is way too much glitter. We're gonna have to have a lot. Ready, guys? A lot of glue. Here we come.
Yeah. It's so much glue. It's gonna ruin all the glitter.
Now we're gonna add some.
An activator.
That's a lot of activator that we need to add.
A lot.
Okay, now we're gonna.
You know what activator does? It makes it like hard, right, Joey?
It can. Ooh. Maybe a little more glue.
Here's Zoe. You do it.
More glue.
No, you video. You video.
Do it.
Do it. I wanna do it.
Okay.
Okay, that's all then. That's perfect.
Okay, now we need a little more activator.
We need a lot more.
There we go. I just want to
Try
get.
not to get your hand in the camera.
Sorry. There we go. Okay. There we go. Finally connecting together.
No, it's turning up into like a ball.
The weird ball.
The weird bottle of blindness.
Oh,
Is
God.
it sticky?
No, it's really glittery. It's all over my hand.
Oh my god. Dude, we didn't even use all of the glitter yet.
No, there's barely a little bit left.
And we could have used a lot more glitter if we didn't do that. And there's a smiley face and another smiley face with a tongue on it. So we could have saved a lot more glitter.
But it's fine.
That can already blind
Oh my
someone's
God.
eye. It's blinding my eyes right now.
Oh my
Don't play with it, Zoe. Just keep it in there and we'll play it. Oh my god, your finger's filled with slime.
god. Okay, we're gonna have to add a lot more activator in it.
Oh yeah, and we're using the Nickelodeon
Slime. You should try it out. It's really fun. And if you if you ever get it, there's 2 white bottles. It kind of looks yellowish kind of when you open it. That makes it glow in the dark.
Yeah, I love the neon ones. They're like the best.
The best. The best.
Sorry, shut up.
I'm sorry. I just hate slime. It's not fully stirred. Okay. There, who wants to try it first?
You do it. I'm the cameraman.
Okay.
No, it's my channel. I mean, I should be doing the fun things. The spoon is about to break, dude.
Because it's so heavy. Okay. I can't even get it out of the bowl. We're going to have to stir it. Okay. There you go. I'm going to take a little bit of it out. Not all of it.
Oh my god, it's like the Eiffel Tower.
Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Dude, this is nothing to compare like the videos of like the tanks full of slime.
See, look at this. It's all glittery. If someone were to like...
We should put the foam balls in it too.
Okay, look at it.
Where are they?
They're in the bag.
What bag? There's too many bags.
Second one.
Hold on, guys. Where? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Here it is. Should we just pour the rest of it inside?
Some of it, not the rest of it.
Okay, cameraman. Oh, god damn it, Zoe. You have to ruin everything.
You guys gonna see a little black, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, you guys are gonna have to see a little black. No, you don't. I can just go like that.
Okay, we're trying to adjust it. Okay, in the meantime, you guys should just look at this glittery slime.
Wait, your physics, the wind physics are kicking in and you're freaking everything up.
It's fine, just let them look at the black a little bit. Does it need something to stand on?
Yeah, I need something to stay. The computer.
The computer. We're gonna right back in the meantime. Just look at this
No,
glittery
Zoe, stop.
slime.
Stop, Zoe. Just stop it. I'm using my super awesome Ultra 5000 Windows 7 computer.
Actually, my computer.
It's Mom's.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can they see? Okay, good. You guys can see. Here, let me fix up the slime first, so then we can put the balls in.
No, we're putting the balls right now.
I can't because it's too sticky. It's way too sticky to put them in.
It's funny.
I gotta play with it first.
No, you don't need to play with it, Zoe. It's my slime.
No, it's not. It's our slime.
No, Zoe, it's my.
It's ours.
It was my glue and my glitter. So.
It's ours. Or I'll throw it away.
Okay, go ahead and throw it.
But my foam balls.
Okay, it's 25% yours.
25% yours.
No, 40.
Because I'm on my computer.
I don't care.
What? Dude, you gotta be generous. My foam balls are getting away.
Yeah, Zoe, I'm gonna get like $1,000 from YouTubers. Don't get money, but YouTube sends them money.
Okay.
A little bit more, right there.
No, just pour the whole thing.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna make sure they can see the foam balls. Go right there.
Okay.
No, closer, a little.
Closer. Oh God.
Those are all foam balls, guys.
Okay.
The glitter is now useless. You probably should put the glitter last.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Gracious. We're gonna have to clean up the floor after this, though, for realsies.
Zoe, stop. Just, why are you talking?
I can't.
Now the glitter is useless.
No, you can still see it. It's like weird. It almost looks like
Stop
glittery.
moving. Stop moving.
It almost looks like glittery barf. Right?
Mhm.
Maybe just a little bit.
Oh, guys, if this video does end automatically,
We are
again,
here.
I run out of storage,
Or
I press the red button
on accident.
on
Not our
accident.
fault. After this video, we're gonna have to clean up the floor.
When you walk in here, do you see anything medical here? What's medical? What do you see medical here? Maybe take a picture of that too.
Okay. Ew.
So this space is 1,500 square feet by itself. So what we're proposing to do, and I want to show, is to all we need to do, and that's the kitchenette. So the area with the kitchenette is 1,500 square feet.
So the total area.
Correct. So all I need to do, see in here, it's storage. And I'm going to show you a couple options, but I want to.
You guys still looking?
So look in here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, this is so weird.
This is storage.
Okay.
Now if we go to
Sorry about them, guys. We're just in our auditorium because of our mom.
medical storage. So we're not even counting this. All we're saying is, and I'm
But,
gonna do a couple options. Option one,
Just look at this.
close up this door. This is
Oh my goodness.
So weird.
So foamy.
reasonable.
It's foamy, homie.
After we're done, we're gonna really have to clean up because I don't want them interfering with the job. You know?
Well, I fell. Boy.
You realize we can still get that glitter? Oh my god, I can't get this off my hand.
Oh yeah, dude, we can buy like 10 times of those. So which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 10 equals 60, I think. I don't know anything, so I'm not sure.
Okay. We're serious. I'm gonna have to clean up. Okay, bye guys. That's the end of the day. Well, for the video. We're gonna do one maybe in an hour or two. So, hope you enjoy the slimy hands.
Oh my god, back up, dude. And for the final finale, we're just gonna look at it, I guess.
Oh my god, I can't even imagine how many dots are in here.
Oh my god, you touched me and I got scared. You touched my leg here. Stop moving. Okay, bye guys.
That was the funniest joke in the world, Sammy.